people.
Hello guys, welcome to a White Noise online video with Ganjaman, Blood Thumb, and at least it's not anime, aka Dawn Lunatic.
Right, okay, before we start, Jack, go to the woman, so I can go to the man, because I ain't got the bloke yet.
Shit. Try and sweat it up.
Wait, so how do you get the different people every time? Are you unlock the tapes? Oh, right.
The more tapes you find, the more characters you unlock. Right, everyone, you ready for characters you unlock? Right, everyone, you ready for 4, 3, 2, has everyone got their lights up and their sound up? Has everyone got their lights up and their sound up?
No. Yes.
I need to put
my light off.
Oh, come on, Liam.
I got my light off. I got my light off. Keep bob into the music. Keep bob into the music. Where are you? Where are you? Hi, honey. Liam, where you going? Liam, where you going? Where you going? Liam, where you going? Who's the lady?
Me.
Who's the lady?
I'm the lady.
Who's the invisible one? Who's the invisible? She's got a pink torch. She's got a pink torch. Take a look at her torch. Pink. Take a look at her torch. Pink. Oh my god, it's a green dildo. Oh my god, it's a green dildo. What are you two doing? Well, normally me and Club sit up.
No, I'm not gonna leave.
We're all good together because it's dangerous. There's another green dildo. There's another green dildo.
Hey, you do too. No, you got a black one. Pace it out.
Oh yeah. As you walk, as you walk, you can hear running. You can hear the list go running. You can hear the list go Oh, he's over there.
I see a reporter.
Oh, okay. Stop, don't. Oh, right, this is the point where Where is everybody? Yeah, that's why
Oh god!
Yeah, that's why.
Right behind us.
Oh, he's running behind us. Oh no, everybody run!
Guys, are we playing on Nightmare or hard?
I bet you turned around the corner and just get scared the shit out of me. This is gonna be bad. We're gonna die on the first day. We're being left on the first day. We're being left done yesterday. What? Oh, the guy there. Is he literally like right there? Is he literally like right there? Yeah.
Guys, there's a tape down here. We need to find it. There's always one in the cages.
There's always a green dildo, isn't there?
Remember that very.
Oh yeah. How come I've never seen this down? Who found it?
Me!
Get the shit out
doesn't mean they can't be cute. There's a green dildo. Oh, right behind us! Right behind us! Right behind us!
Dude, he's right there. What's that? Dude, he's right there. What's that? We're singing a happy song.
La 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 la, right behind us. La 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 la, sing it all night long.
He's in one of the parties.
Guys, locker rooms.
He's over there. He's over there.
Yep, I see him. I see his white head popping up. Guys, we found a nuke. We can nuke him.
I know it's true when I see it true. I know it's true when I see it true. You guys are scary. You guys are scary.
Oh no, man, this is getting creepy.
More than we did last time.
The most we've ever got is 5 out of 8.
Well, I'm minus what? I'm minus.
Yeah, I'm 9. I think we got to 7 on Nightmare, and then you died.
I like how Chris is good. I like how she's jogging. Oh my god, this bit was scary, man. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Right there. Moving around that corner. Moving around that corner. Hey man, where did he go? Where did he go?
Yep. Ah, my eyes. You blinded my eyes. No, I don't. I'm just randomly running around. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
He's right there. Right there.
He's right there. He's right behind us. Run! Run! Run!
The only reason people actually like these games is they get really scared and freak out. They get really scared and freak out and they just let go. Let go. Yeah, exactly.
This way.
Yeah, exactly. Isn't it fun? Isn't it scary? I hated it.
Wait, what?
I'm scared now.
I'm still kind of really like.
I wouldn't play this. Would you play this game? See right behind you. I would never play behind you. I would never play I wouldn't play this game.
Okay, that was the end of part 1, guys, of the spoiling part 1. I'll make it part 2 in a sec.